I'm not going to be mixing all my slimes, but I'm going to be mixing most of my slimes. But this one I'm not going to be mixing because this one I love, and there's other ones upstairs that I'm not going to mix. So first I got... So if you hear that, my dad just sneezed in the background. So I got this one. It's purple. It has JoJo bows. And I'm gonna be mixing it into this. It's really stretchy, and it's a green slime. I really like it, so I'm pretty scared to mix these. I can't believe I just mixed these. Okay, so if this takes a long time to mix, maybe in my other video, the next video that I make, I could show you in the beginning of it what color it turned. And this one, it was actually 2 slimes that I mixed, but now I'm gonna be mixing it to this mixture. It was a really pretty blue and an orange one, and it turned out like this. It's pretty rippy. Whoa, are these even gonna mix? I hope they do. I'm pretty sure this is gonna turn to a brown. Every time I mix something, I always think they're gonna turn to brown. Oh, and in this, why is there Shopkins in here? I have 2 different slimes in here. They kind of mix. This color is so pretty. It's a pretty pink, but they're starting to mix. They're very runny. There's Shopkins in there. Pretty odd. Ew, I haven't felt this slime in a long time. That's why it got really wet. I'm just going to get these Shopkins out of my bowl. Ew, they're really wet. Ew, they're just... Ew, I keep on saying ew, but it's just ew. I'm so weird. Okay. No, I think I've got all the Shopkins out. Ew. I keep on saying ew. Now we're going to add these 2 to the mixture. I'm trying not to say ew again. Okay. I don't want this video to be long, so maybe in my next video I'm going to show you what color. There's like this side's like reddish, this side's like greenish, blackish, something-ish. So, oh, and this container was from the JoJo slime kit, and actually works well. So the one that I'm not going to mix in, I have other slimes that I'm not going to mix in too, but this one I just want to show you because it's so good. It's green, and it has eyeballs in it, googly eyes, and it's really stretchy. I really like it. And they could hold 2 of them. And they don't mix. And bye-bye.